is the most neglected, but is a highly vital part of anyone's budget. If you're new to this channel, welcome. On this channel, we provide insight as to how you can achieve financial freedom with an emphasis on financial literacy. So today, I want to go over a simple budgeting guide for people who have not created budgets, or if you want to try to revisit the budget that you have made and check it against what I'm going to tell you today. So we're going to be discussing the 50-30-20 rule of budgeting. So this is a fairly simple concept, kind of keeps you on a good guideline as far as how things should be broken up in the expenses throughout your life. So first we're going to start with the 50% of this 50-30-20 rule. So 50% of your after-tax income, make sure you guys remember that, your after-tax income should go towards needs. So when we talk about needs, we're talking about things that you guys actually need, necessities. So that would include housing. So if you're renting a place, if you're leasing your home, you have a mortgage. It would also include transportation, so car leases, car payments. For some of you that live in bigger cities, I know you use public transportation, so subways, buses, things of that nature. Also, utilities. So obviously we all need water, electricity, gas, to kind of keep our daily lives in order. You need to wash, you need to clean. And food. Food is the last one. Now this one is a big one because a lot of people, especially nowadays, are ordering a lot of food. They get it delivered, but this should be your groceries. Now I know people, you live different types of lives, so that's a little bit flexible, but try to keep it a consistent amount per month. So groceries would be the easiest way to do that. So that's what I would do. So the second part of this 50-30-20 rule is the 30%. So 30% of your after-tax income, and I'm gonna keep harping on that. After taxes, you guys. Uncle Sam's gonna want his cut. After-tax income is gonna go towards your wants. Now, this category is the category that seems to be inflated in a lot of people's lives, and they kind of lose track of how much they're spending on their wants versus their needs. So your wants would include, items that are luxury items. So this will be cable. And I don't know too many people who is using cable now. You got your Netflix, you got your Roku TVs and all that, Amazon TV, Fire Stick. But cable, I know a lot of people still drink coffee, and instead of brewing your own cups at home, a lot of you go to Starbucks or local coffee houses in your area, but that should be considered a luxury item. Restaurants and fast food. So like I said, with the 50% portion of this rule, food should be included in your needs. So restaurants and fast foods, going out to eat with your friends or your spouses or your families, that should be included in your wants, because usually, this is not a set expense each month. It will vary. Another item is gym memberships. I know a lot of people pay, a lot of amount to go to these gyms that some of them are going to. Just try to make sure that you keep it under 30% for your wants. Don't let this category bloom out of control, okay? The last category we're going to go over is savings, and this is the one that seems to be the most ignored. So 20% of your after-tax income should go towards savings. So when I say savings, what's usually meant is savings plans, retirement accounts, debt payments outside of your mortgages or your car payments. So this would be credit card debt, things of that nature. And then everyone should have a rainy day fund. So personally, I would suggest 9-month to 12-month rainy day fund, but what's conventional advice is 6 to 9 months. So try to save up 6 to 9 months for a rainy day fund in case something happens, like you lose your job, especially, in the environment that we're in now, where a lot of people have been unemployed and remain unemployed because of the whole crisis that we're in. So just make sure you try to keep 6 to 9 months for a rainy day fund in case something happens. So now the savings category should be addressed after the needs category has already been covered. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you found value in the information I've given today, make sure you like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell for any future videos we may be coming out with. Also post in the comments any other methods that you guys have used as far as budgeting to try to keep your financial house in order. Thank you.